Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the train stations in Jamaica. Now this is Highway 2000. There you can see the train track right beside the highway. And this is Old Harbour. We're going to look at the Old Harbour train station. It was built back in about 1879, around that time. This is a very nice view of Old Harbour. Okay, so the trains no longer run in Jamaica. They haven't been up, the passenger lines that is, haven't been operational for 30 years, passengers. But this line is active. Trains run on this line. They have a student train service. So trains run on this line that carry students from Old Harbour to Spanish Town. Look at this structure now. The year is 2024. And look at this building they have as a railway station. Built in 1879. So for almost 200 years, nobody could improve this building. Now, Jamaica needs a modern train service. And buildings like this are just not going to cut it. We need a modern train service in Jamaica. But you're going to come upon a very serious problem. These buildings are national heritage sites, not all, but most. And it is extremely difficult to do anything to them. Well, guys, let me know what you think. Do you think they should demolish this building and build a more modern train station? Something that might even have fast food restaurants in it and something more useful, something more modern. What do you guys think? Or do you think they should restore this building? But one thing is for sure, it can't stay in the state it is. Either restore it or demolish it and build a new one. Guys, let us know what you think. Now, the government wants to restart the train service. They have the student service up and running in certain areas. This is one. They have this line is actually used for bauxite companies carrying stuff from the plant to the port. But the passenger train service is what the government wants to start back up. And I think it's going to happen. Not sure when, but there's so much development going on in Jamaica. You have to be able to move people around the island. Now, Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town have the majority of the Jamaican population, probably as much as 2/3. But you have so much development going on in Westmoreland, Hanover, the entire North Coast, that you're going to have to be able to move people around. The island is no longer Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. It's no longer those areas. You have so much development going on in other areas that you're going to need a train to move people around. And the good thing is the tracks are there. The tracks are already there. So I think the train service will start back one day. So the question of what to do with these old stations, railway stations, is going to come up one day. And as we said at the beginning, quite a few of them are national heritage sites. But remember now, the trains haven't run in Jamaica for the passenger train service for almost 30 years. But I'm not sure if making them a national heritage site was the correct way to go. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Should they keep these stations or demolish them and build new ones? Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.